I am no Mariah Carey, but it's time to try out Pink Flash finally. Now, firstly, we have their blush, which looks oh so cute, and I have the shade 01. Let's check out its pigmentation first. It looks like a beautiful apricot color, and it does seem to have a nice soft blend to it. And this is what the shade looks like. Ooh, there's a lot of pigment in there. Time to pick it up with a brush, and it picks up really nicely as well. I'm gonna tap off the excess because we don't want blush blindness going on, and I'm just gonna tap it on my cheeks. Even though this is nicely pigmented, it's blending out beautifully as well. There is no patchiness on my skin whatsoever. Plus, it has a nice radiant finish while sitting beautifully on the skin. And now onto the product that I'm the most excited for. Their fully pigmented eyeshadow trio. Now, I love me some glitter, so this is right up my alley. While of course I'm dying to try out this flaky glitter, I am obviously going to swatch all of the shades for you, and these do seem to be slightly buttery, and this seems a little bit more flaky than I am expecting it to be, like a bit more gritty, but they're going on pretty smoothly, and that looks more like a chunky glitter rather than a flaky glitter. Moment of truth, I generally like to do like a one and done eyeshadow look with these flaky glitters, but this one, as I said, is a little bit more gritty than I like my flaky eyeshadows to be. This is not exactly giving me romance flaky glitter vibes. It looks like a basic chunky glitter. Now it looks pretty, don't get me wrong, it's glitter, it has to look pretty, but I was expecting a little bit more from this, so I'm slightly disappointed. And there is some fallout as well. Hopefully their lengthening mascara will make up for that disappointment and give me amazing lashes. Listen, I really need you guys to see this mascara wand. How tiny is this one? But hey, if it works, then who am I to judge it? Especially for someone like me who has non-existent lashes, I feel like a mascara wand like this can really get into your lashes without getting messy everywhere. This is so easy for lower lash application. But sadly, this mascara gave me neither length nor volume. I mean, I have the mascara on this side and not on this side, and I honestly can't even tell a difference. Okay guys, it's time for my final verdict, and I have to say that I really like the idea of the brand, but it's the execution where it goes all downhill, because I feel like the formulations still need to be worked upon a lot to make them what they truly need to be. But I really did like the blush, and I would highly recommend this one to you. It's super affordable as well, so that really helps, but the other two products were very disappointing.